Okay, guys. So now we're gonna try it. This one has it's the steak with the batter of the gods, and then on here it's a little bit melted now by the cured egg yolk. So let's see. I'm so excited actually to try this. It's super good. Actually melts in your mouth. So now, guys, I'm gonna try for the first time the one with the yolk, and Todd is gonna do it as well. Are you ready, Todd?
I'm ready.
Cheers. Good. Thank you guys for watching. We actually really enjoyed to do this episode, and see you at the next time.